The fifth type of our intrusion detection system is anomaly-based intrusion detection system. In the previous techniques, that is signature-based IDS, there are some predefined signatures that are already stored in your database. Depending on matching, we can generate the alerts. But in case of anomaly-based IDS, it is the newer technology that is used to design and detect the unknown attack also. In case of signature-based IDS, they can generate the alert that is stored the match pattern on their database. But in case of anomaly-based intrusion detection system, this system can detect the unknown attack also after identification of attack signature. It is used for creating a machine learning model to analyze a large amount of network data and traffic. Anomaly-based IDS will create a model to detect the normal activity as well as they can also identify the malicious activities of the intruders. In the given diagram, the incoming traffic is redirected to generate the activity profile as well as to match the pattern. If they can detect the anomalies, then they can generate the alert message or report, as well as they can check the pattern on their previous database. Based on the security rules, they can generate the alert message as well as report. So in case of anomaly-based IDS, this type of system will use for detecting the unknown pattern from the intruders.